Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you love to shop Lux, welcome. Let's be friends on Instagram at ShopLux and I will link it down here for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a new video. So for today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of a beauty gift set which is perfect for the holidays. In the previous video, I did an unboxing on a beauty gift set and it is also a perfect gift for the holidays. And it is the YSL Mini Lipstick Gift Set. And also the Chanel lipstick that I unboxed last time. If you haven't watched it, just go to the description box and I will put the link on there. So everyone is waiting for the Black Friday. Some people are trying to complete their Christmas wish list or their Christmas gifts for family and friends. So I've been doing some online shopping and decided to get this item from Dior. Usually I don't really wear a lot of makeup, but I was drawn to it because it is a set of mascara. I am not really good with makeup, and like I said, I only use powder, lipstick, eyeliner, and mascara. So I really wanted to try that Dior mascara. On occasions, I would use false eyelashes, and I really like the look of it. The first time I got interested with false eyelashes, I went to the store and picked up one, and this is what I got: the Kiss blooming lash. I don't know the style, but I just picked this up. But when I try it on, it didn't work out for me because I have hooded eyes, and Asian eyes usually like there's a little gap between the eyelids and the eyebrows. So usually long lashes don't work, but at least for my case. So I checked online, I went to Amazon and looked for Asian eyelashes, something like that. And this is what I got. And it's really perfect for Asian eyes like me. And the length is really perfect for my eyes. It's not too long. And it looks natural. And here's another one in case you have the same problem. This comes in 5 pairs. I don't remember how much it is, but I will link it down below. And this one. They really look natural when you put them on. There. I'm gonna put them all in the description box if you are interested, because I find it really useful, especially on occasions. Anyway, let's go to the unboxing. Finally, it arrived, and here I ordered it from Nordstrom online, and they gave me 3 samples, and I got the Hoola bronzer. I don't have a bronzer. I don't even know how to use it, but I really want to try it. And then here is the NARS bronzing powder again, and here is the Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder. I really hope that they work out for me so that I could add them to my makeup collection. I don't really know how to use them, but I'm trying to learn how to put makeup on. I will just show it to you. And this is the box. And I got 2 Dior beauty sets. And here's the other one. Sorry. Okay. So I got 2 Dior beauty sets. I don't want to open the other one yet, because I would be giving it as a gift. And this is the one that I have for myself. And this is called the Dior Diorshow Professional Volumizing Mascara Set. And it comes in three kinds of mascaras. Diorshow Mascara and the DIOR Maximizer 3D and the mini Diorshow Iconic Overcurl. I think how you use this. Okay, let's open it. I've never used this. And I like that it comes in 3 and there is a really nice catch-all. I am more excited on the catch-all, honestly, than these 3. But hopefully it does work for me. Okay, so this is the DIOR Catchall. It's so nice. The leather, I'm not sure if it's real leather. Maybe not. But it really looks nice. See? And that's the zipper. And this is the zipper pull. Look how nice it is. And in the front, it says DIOR. This is going to be a nice pencil box, or for students, you can put this inside your tote so that you don't put pen marks or you don't stain your tote. And also you can put your eyeliners, your lipstick. Could be a good makeup kit. Or you can also put your eyeglasses, your sunglasses in here. See, when you open it, okay, let's look at this later. When you open it, it opens to a patent leather with stars in it. Stars, and I think it says, the DIOR logo on it. See? It's very beautiful. It's a nice catch-all. It's really spacious, you see? This is a good catch-all. I really love this. I'm so excited to put it in my tote, actually. And there's no pocket inside. It's just one big compartment. So these are the 3 mascaras that came with this set. But it says here, so first you gotta apply this, the volumizer, and then you're gonna apply the lash extension effect. And this one is the DIOR Overcurl. So I think this is the 3rd mascara that you're gonna apply, and your lashes are going to look thick and long, and it will put a lot of volume on your eyelashes. I'm so excited to use this, and hopefully I don't need to use my false eyelashes because they're not really as comfy when I use them. These are pretty good size. They're not minis. So, and this one, I love the packaging of DIOR makeup. And here is the other one, the Maximizer 3D. If you have already used this product, maybe you can write a comment below. I would be glad to hear your thoughts about this product, and I just want to know more about it because I've never used it. Like I said, I've tried other brands, but usually it's just one application only. It's very simple. It's just curl your lashes and then apply the mascaras. But this one, there are 3 steps to complete the process. So if you have suggestions or comments on and if you have already tried this product, please do comment down below, and that will help me a lot. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you, my friends, on the next one. Bye.